Auntie,
Hello.
auntie,
Hello, madam.
is it not a brick?
Hey, it's a brick. I don't have plan, madam.
No, auntie.
Every woman must have a small board. I
Uh-uh.
am tired of like when I cut cabbage, I would do this. I'm tired, madam.
So why
I
is it
am
you
ti-
bring the
At
brick
least
in?
it's better.
No,
It
auntie.
looks like board. I am tired, madam. Leave me alone.
Auntie, some other times I think like you have lost your senses.
No, I am right, madam. Can you go buy a small board, less than 100 rand?
Where exactly did you get that brick, auntie?
Outside.
No, auntie. No, man. No,
You want me to do what, madam?
auntie.
Madam, how can I cut a cabbage like it? At least I have a plan for you, madam. If you don't want me to use a brick, can you go buy a small body, small one,
Yo,
not the big one for 200 rand?
auntie, you know I'm done with you.
I am tired,
I'm
madam.
done with you, auntie.
Leave me alone. Every woman must have this small board. Even if I want to cut carrots or what, I am struggling in this house.
You know
Leave
what,
me
auntie?
alone,
You know what?
madam.
It's fine. Leave it. Leave it. Thank you so much for your coleslaw, okay? Thank you so much. You can take it home. It's fine. It's fine. She's full of herself. Why? Why?